Hi everyone, and welcome back to Beverly Stunning Creations, where I teach you how to make beautiful, elegant, high-end, glam decor that's inexpensive and easy to recreate. Okay, so let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is glue these two pieces together. Now, there's a really thin rim, and that'll do really well with the glue that I use, but I want to secure it even more. So I'm going to add this disc. You could use something else like maybe a checker or something. Something clear would be better. Try and find something like that. So I'm going to glue this between both pieces. So I'm just going to take some of my Gorilla Glue and glue it together. Glue that down to the middle. Now I'll put some glue on top. Alright, so now I'm going to make sure that both of the switches are turned tight and they are on the same side. And I want to line the design up as well. This is the back. I'm going to check the front. Okay, so now I will go ahead and take a baby wipe and clean up any extra glue very gently. So now I'll put this aside and let the glue set up. Next up, I have a tray from Dollar Tree. One of these gorgeous silver trays. Now I've already put a hook on the back. So the thing I want to do next is take some of these Dollar Tree gems, and it says vase filler. These are the ones that I'm using. I'm going to use my UV resin to glue these on, but you can use hot glue. Don't use strong glues because it will dull the gem. It will actually take the silver finish off. After the glue dried, I painted the blocks silver. And then on the side, I added some mirror tile. So what I'm going to do is glue this right in the center. I'm not actually measuring, but feel free to measure if you need to. Now I'm actually speeding this up for the video. Take your time, let that dry. But because I need to keep working, I'm going to put on my mask because again, I'm going to use my UV resin and I don't want to inhale those different vapors. So if you decide to do this, make sure you let them both dry individually or wear a mask. Okay, so as we can see, the piece is completely glued together. And off camera, I went ahead and put some bling around the top and the lid as well. And I went ahead and put some glitter on top of the cap as well. Before I added the bling to the lid, I spray painted it silver and added some glitter and UV resin. You can add some glitter with Mod Podge. You don't have to use the UV resin. It's totally up to you. Now, I'm gonna do the same thing with the bottom. So I'm just gonna flip this over. Here's my bling. I'm just going to put it right up against the switch and then go all the way around. Okay, just like that, and then put that back on top. And now I'll fill in those spaces as well. So now I'm going to take one row and put it right around the middle. And I'm going to start in the back. Okay, and now we have this. Finally, here's the top. I'm going to go ahead and glue this on. But I'm going to glue it to where I can still reach the switch. So I'm going to have it at an angle like this. So I'm going to take my Gorilla Glue and put it on top of my tower blocks. And now I'll take some masking tape, pull it to the side. Make sure that it's centered. And one more piece of tape. Look at it and make sure that it looks straight. Okay, just like that. Now I'll let this completely dry. And here is the completed look. I now have the stunning beauty that I created on a budget, and it was super easy to make. As for these wall sconces, they give off a really bright light. So if you have a particular area in your home that needs more light, consider these DIY wall sconces. Glam fam, I meant it when I said I would be bringing you more beautiful, easy DIYs to make your homes holiday ready. So on to DIY number 2. I'm going to be using one of these small bowls from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using 2 more of these lights. You twist off this little top, and that's where the batteries go. And they take AA batteries, 3 AA batteries. Keep in mind, you might want to do like a snow globe, so you can put anything inside here that'll fit. I have this cute little duck that could go on the inside. Anything that you like that'll fit on the inside, you can use it as a snow globe. Now, as for me, I'm going to attempt to make a butterfly. I have these crystal ornaments, teardrop ornaments from Hobby Lobby, and I've already removed one. And I also have a piece of one of those spoons. I don't know if you guys seen how I use those spoons and forks from Dollar Tree to make crystal chandelier pendants. Okay, so all this is just a piece from that, and I use my UV resin to glue this piece on. Here I have some teardrop pendants, I have some larger ones, I have some smaller ones, I have this shape. I think I like the idea of that one. So right now I'm going to attempt to make a butterfly on the inside. Again, put whatever you want on the inside of yours. Do not look into that light. I'm going to put a drop of UV resin right in the center. Now that's pretty solid. So now I'm going to put one of my large wings on. One wing on. Now I'm just going to add a little bit more UV resin. So now let's try for wing number 2. I guess it looks more like a dragonfly, huh? So let's go with our other big wing. Let's see. Go ahead and turn the light on. And there we have our butterfly. And I want to try and put 2 tiny little eyeballs on my butterfly. So I'm going to try and use 2 of these tiny rhinestones to make some eyeballs on the butterfly. Okay, so now our butterfly has 2 eyes. Look at that. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and reinforce everything with more of the UV resin. So yeah, not too bad considering my working conditions. I hope you can see that. Hopefully I'll be able to put it somewhere where you can. So now I'm going to set it on top of here. And then I'm going to let this go for about 3 minutes. Okay guys, so moving right along, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this lid. Again, this is where the battery goes. I'm gonna paint both sides silver. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is glue this right on top of here. Again, because I've been using the UV resin, I'm gonna go ahead and put my mask on. Take some of my Gorilla Glue and put it right on the base. Make sure it's right in the center. And because this is a snow globe, I have to use snow, so I'm going to use these little diamonds as snow. And then I'm going to put this right on top in the middle. Okay guys, so with this piece I did the same thing. I went ahead and put the bling around the top, glitter on here. The bottom does not get any glitter, okay? I put 3 rows of the diamond bling around here, and I'm gonna do the same here. So now I'll light it up and put it on display. And here I present to you my crystal butterfly with diamond snowflakes snow globe. Here I have it displayed on top of my coffee table for extra lighting. It's perfect for when you don't want to use candles. And of course, it can also be used as a nightlight in your bedroom or in your bathroom. I really love how my crystal butterfly turned out, but keep in mind, you don't have to make that. You can use anything that you want that will fit inside your bowl. It can also be used as a wall sconce. Here I have it paired with a previous Glam DIY. I think these 2 pieces look absolutely stunning together. Please comment your thoughts below. Also comment which DIY is your favorite. As always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's absolutely free. Okay everyone, thanks so much for watching.